So I finally I asked ChatGPT, and it showed that there can be some naming convention mistake in the underscore and the hyphen. So I thought I can fix it, but see, I can fix it. I saw other videos and it also worked. But then I thought that what if some other users try defined environment and it does not work there? In that case, I will again get huge amount of bugs and request to fix this and that. So then I observed the other most repository, they do not have any kind of underscore or hyphen at all. So instead of that, I just named it Pinakin at all. So I was thinking on that, so that's why I made this video after like 30 minutes. Yeah. So what I did here, I just named the entire package as Pinakin. So what I will do, I will make each GitHub page for the brokers I do, like uh, the Angel, IIFL, and Upstox is right now what I am thinking. So I am just named it Pinakin and I have uploaded it. And there was some structural error. I had fixed it. So you can actually go to GitHub and check that what exactly I have fixed. It's very minor. Like this folder will go to there, and there's some naming mismatch. Nothing else. Let me just go to GitHub and show you. API. I have already uploaded in the GitHub. See, so under the Pinakin version it is there. So I'll create each version in the GitHub like for different brokers, but in the main pip, the main package will be in the singular name of Pinakin only. So let me just show you by running this. It is connecting, and let me just run this also. So from now on, you just have to do pip install Pinakin and see the beauty of this. Actually, I use it myself, and I just made available the very light structure of it. So from Pinakin Upstox import like that. If you want to do Zerodha, it will be like from Pinakin Zerodha import like that. So it is basically a multi-broker API. It is maintaining the same structure I use, but it is not having all the functions because I am also authorized person of many brokers. I know you can be only authorized person of a broker using only one name, but I used all my family members' names. So everybody does that. It's a normal kind of a business. But I have to be responsible for every stuff I do. So they will get pretty angry if I share those kind of functions. Like I cannot share the auto login publicly, right? See, yeah, it's working so much perfectly. Now you can also do the margin and every stuff. All you have to do is have to change the name to margin. We already had made it. I had logged in. Now what happened? Creates. Oh, I think we have uploaded the previous version of the Upstox code login which I was doing here, and the same mistake is happening right now. So what I will do, I'll just copy the header part. Yeah, let me show this. It actually will be interesting for you. So we fixed it in the video a couple time back, but we have not updated it here. See, I clicked on it and it is stuck. So it is very pretty irritating to make this entire video. So let me just wait. And after this video, I'll just fix my entire system. I literally has not made it shut down since like more than 7 months. So I think I'll do a shutdown today. This is the margin. This is the authorization one, and this one is the login. I pasted the login. Now I have to go to the setup.py. Make it 0.2. I'm running this setup. It will get uploaded. So meanwhile, let me just, what I will do, I'll go ahead and reinstall it. I know I can write the upgrade command directly, but anyways, I have bad habit of installing and uninstalling because I like to read these logs, that what is getting uninstalled and what is getting installed. What is happening? You must. It is installing 0.1 only. Let me do everything from the start. Runtime, restart, and run all. I think it has not been uploaded by the time I had run. Right now it should work, and oh no, it is still not working. Stop, man. Disconnect and delete runtime. See, I am seeing it from here that it is installing the Pinakin version of 1.0, which I do not want. Whenever you upload in the pip version, it will take some time to get it uploaded properly. So from the next video, it will be very like a piece of cake for you. You have to just install the pin again. So yeah, the 0.02 version game, it should work perfectly now. And you have to just do this. It will log in, it will do every stuff. Brokers should code the APIs like this. It should be very easier for the traders. Anyways, this is the pretty uncut video of whatever I am doing, so I'm not pretty much concerned that yeah, the headers are coming perfectly. I'm pretty much concerned of the quality of the video. You can just skip. The margin came. Let us check the position, and in the next video I shall be coding the order function, and I'll show that how to fetch the data token and how to punch a order. Oops, I have not coded it yet. I was speaking and I just wrote it. So each time I am calling the function, it is updating our initial database. And this is basically a database of the client, right? And there is no position. Okay, so that's it. Finally, you have somehow finished this entire video. So let's see you in the next video.